Hi guys, I'm MJ, and as you know, I'm really trying to build my YouTube channel. So I'm looking forward to getting new subscribers, and I hope if you are starting to like my content and starting to get a feel for what my channel may be about, please subscribe, click the links down below, and check out some of my other videos. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing video. As you all know, I'm building my YouTube channel, and there are a few things you need when you want to start a YouTube channel. So I've covered a lot of my bases, and the next thing I wanted to look into are tripods. So right now I'm currently filming using a tripod, and I picked it up at Best Buy when I first got my camera. It's called the SurePack Ultra 600 PG. It's pretty cool, but I was looking for something a little more like rugged, something I can take along with me outdoors. And I've watched a lot of YouTube stuff, I've watched a lot of review videos, and I decided to pick up two tripods. But being a new filmer, like, I'm pretty stoked about just recording content and making new videos. There's tons of things out there on the market, but I kind of went with two that I think would be pretty cool. So the first one is a small one. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this guy first. It seems pretty self-explanatory. It doesn't seem like there's much in the box. The box is not that big, but it's the Jobi Gorillapod. So I've seen tons of people talk about this. I see a lot of people that like to blog carrying it like in their hands. So I decided I'd check it out. And there's the There's only two pieces in the box. The pedestal or the tripod itself, and as you can see, it's kind of bendy and flexy, and you can do whatever you want to it. All full joint movement. And then this guy screws on top, and it's a pedestal mount. So I'm going to use this for shooting with my camera and my phone. If you want to have it connected to your phone, you're gonna need an adapter because it's a male end on the Joby. So this should mount right up to the bottom mounting plate for your camera. And for my phone, I bought an attachment that would screw onto this. Just screws on top, and this is called the ProMaster 3421, and it just kind of helps stabilize iPhone video. And if you want to take a tripod and just post it somewhere and like use your phone to record you, or if you want to go handheld mode and kind of just stabilize it. But yeah, the adapter mounts my phone up on there, and yeah, I'll just sit this little guy right here on my desk. Just got this phone fixed today. The next thing I'm gonna unbox is the three-legged thing. So this is pretty cool, and the box and the design overall is pretty aesthetic. So it says three-legged thing on one side, and then Punks and Travis on the other side. So it looks pretty cool. I ordered it off Amazon. So yeah, let's get straight to it. It's not a really big box, but right away, I see that it comes in a bag. So that's pretty epic. I really like stuff that comes with drawstrings and carrying cases, stuff I can grab and go. So the bag looks pretty cool, and it says three-legged thing as well. And that's pretty much all that's in the box. It looks like there's a little bit of information about it. So if you want to download instructions, there's a website. So that's all. I think they could have printed like download the instructions on the box, and then they would have saved that piece of paper. But cool, either way. So inside the carrying case, you have the actual tripod, a layer of plastic, and the legs kind of just go straight out. So right away I could tell it's like way more sturdy than my current setup. And I think it can click in multi directions. And it also has a couple knobs that move up and down to give you height. I'm not sure if I'm doing this right, because if this is how you let it up and down, it will take forever. Oh, it's just a lock. Okay, so you unlock it, and then you lock it back with these knobs. So then it kind of drops out once you unlock it. Wow, I mean, this thing is really sturdy. And it has like multiple sections, so it looks like it gets pretty tall. I'm gonna go ahead and let the whole thing up and see how high it goes. So yeah, that's about the full height of it. And I mean, this guy's pretty sick. Like, each joint locks. They have an unlock in one direction and a lock in the other direction. So yeah. And then on top, it has another little baggie, which is cool. A clip. And then a little bit more information and the logo. There's also a sticker, and I super love like stuff that comes with stickers, because I put them all over my laptop. So that's cool points for that. And I'm gonna fold it in, and then the center pops up and down like that. But yeah, it looks pretty hardcore. I mean, it has a little keychain type deal, and some serious leveling knobs. I mean, it looks pretty precise. It comes with a mounting surface, but I don't see an adapter for it. So, and it even tells you the degrees on the rotation. But yeah, this guy looks pretty sick. And even though it looks pretty straightforward, I might even go online and look up the directions. That's my unboxing of the three-legged thing in the Jobi Gorillapod. The Joby, the three. This has been my unboxing of the three-legged thing in the Jobi Gorillapod.